For the past 50 years, camper vans have been the go-to option for adventure enthusiasts, whether exploring the breathtaking shores of Cornwall or the wild moors of Yorkshire. But finding a budget-friendly option isn't always easy in this video. We'll uncover the top affordable 4x4 camper vans of 2025. So stay tuned if you're ready to hit the road without breaking the bank. Leading our list is the brand new CV600DF camper van from Trusco, crafted on the dependable Ford Transit chassis. This van goes beyond simple transportation. It's designed to elevate your travel experience with comfort and freedom. With a price tag of $53,486 the road sooner, whether it's a short city getaway or an extended scenic adventure, the CB600DF's compact yet versatile design makes it an excellent choice inside. You'll discover a bright contemporary living space with clever storage solutions and family-oriented features like the dual ISOFIX system. Additionally, you can personalize your van with engine options and colors such as frozen white and magnetic gray to match your unique adventure vibe. Could this be the most versatile adventure rig out there? Meet the AO Daily Switch 4x4, a towering beast that stole the spotlight at the Dusseldorf Caravan Salon. Don't let its bright stripes fool you. This rugged camper van is built for serious adventures, seamlessly switching between hauling gear to remote work sites and tackling the most off-the-grid camping spots. With Hunter Cop's modular design, it boasts clever features like a flip-down partition, bed rail, attachable kitchen modules, and options for work cabinets. And toolboxes add in its proper four-wheel drive system with 3 locking differentials off-road, gearing massive tires, and a powerful 173 horsepower engine, and you've got a van ready to conquer any terrain starting at an affordable $70,000. It also includes insulation, diesel heating, and flexible electrical packages to keep you comfortable wherever the road or lack of it takes you. All right, folks, let's dive into the latest from Mercedes-Benz. The refreshed Marco Polo camper van, a smart glamping marvel, ready to elevate your outdoor adventures starting at around $70,000. This van brings a bold new look with an elegant grille-adaptive multi-beam, LED headlights, and a luxurious interior, featuring dual 12.3-inch wide screens, 64-color, ambient lighting, and a heated steering wheel. The innovative Mercedes-Benz Advanced Control System lets you manage everything from camper features to leveling, with a smartphone making life at camp effortless. Sleeping 4 with its pop-up roof and foldable bench bed, the Marco Polo includes a fully equipped kitchen block with a stove-sink fridge and dining table, plus a wardrobe for your gear. It's a perfect blend of luxury practicality and smart tech. Meet the Bailey Endeavor B62, priced at $70,000. This impressive camper boasts a Ford cab with a 2-liter 155 brake horsepower engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and a reversing camera, ensuring a smooth and convenient ride. Its eye-catching chrome blue exterior is bound to attract attention. Inside, the standout feature is the spacious aisle made possible by a smart timer door. In the side washroom, the interior offers generous headroom, practical shower tray, drainage, and smoothly swiveling cab seats. The rear U-shaped seating area is perfect for unwinding. Illuminated by roof lights and ambient lighting, the sofas effortlessly convert into 1.9M single beds, and while assembling, the double bed takes a bit more effort. The comfort is well worth it. The kitchen is fully equipped with a 3-burner hob, a combined oven, grill, and a half-height fridge for all your cooking needs. Looking for the perfect blend of city convenience and off-grid comfort, this Volkswagen-based raising roof camper van might be just what you need, priced at $70,000. It offers easy parking while packing in all the essentials, including a built-in toilet that maintains generous headroom inside. You'll find cozy seating with 2 swiveling cab seats and a 3rd travel seat, perfect for socializing. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed, allowing you to cook while facing your companions, with a sink and hob position behind the driver's seat and a D-Tick fridge below. Modern features include a microwave, USB ports, and a wireless charging pad. Need extra sleeping space? The roof is well lit and comfortable and collapsing. The travel seat creates a bed over 7 feet long. Great for kids too, with a tailgate awning. You can even set up an outdoor shower. And to rail, this camper B combines smart design with exceptional comfort for all your adventures. Introducing the Alicia Camper, be perfect for both impromptu adventures and well-planned escapes. Imagine enjoying cozy evenings with adjustable lighting, a comfortable lounge, and adaptable sleeping arrangements, all tailored for life on the move. It features a fully equipped kitchen, a modern washroom with a refreshing shower, and smart storage solutions for ultimate convenience. Personalize it with your choice of colors and interior or designs to create your ideal home on wheels. Starting at $65,000, the Aliso delivers exceptional quality and value. Add an optional sunroof for stargazing or a pop-top roof for ultimate relaxation. Under the stars, it's your ultimate travel companion. Discover the 2024 Winnebago Solus National Park Edition, a revolutionary addition to the RV market, priced at $152,100. This feature-packed RV is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. The optional pop top provides extra sleeping space, making it ideal for families or groups designed for adventure. The Solus NP performs seamlessly, whether you're stargazing at a campsite or venturing into remote locations. Its rugged and adaptable build ensures it can tackle various terrains and weather conditions with confidence. With its user-friendly features and thoughtfully crafted interior, the Solus NP is an excellent choice for those new to RVing, ready to take your van life adventures to the next level. The Sight and Holidays camper band is here to give the iconic Volkswagen California a serious run for its money, and at just $56,000, it's an absolute steal. This compact marvel features a pop-up roof with a comfortable double bed, a second-row bench that slides or removes to create extra cargo space, and a fully removable kitchen block that you can use indoors or outside. It's equipped with a dual-burner stove, sink, fresh and gray water tanks, and a mini fridge. Perfect for cooking up meals. On the go for off-grid camping, the solar-powered leisure battery keeps everything running, while a Webasto heater keeps you cozy. When the temperature drops inside, you'll find a 10-inch infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist ensure a smooth drive powered by a 174 horsepower turbo diesel engine. This van is built for adventure, whether you're exploring remote landscapes or enjoying some downtime. By the campfire with a portable toilet, outdoor shower, and plenty of smart design features, the Holidays Camper Band has everything you need to create unforgettable memories, escape the daily grind, and embrace the excitement of a spontaneous adventure. With the high MR Freeze, built on the trusted Mercedes Sprinter chassis, this camper van offers more than just transportation. It's your ticket to boundless freedom, wherever the road leads. Picture yourself at the wheel powered by a robust engine. Mercedes 9G automatic transmission and cutting-edge safety features, giving you confidence whether you're cruising through urban streets, conquering off-road trails, or relaxing by the coast at a price of $70,900. The Heimer Freeze delivers not only practicality, but also comfort with a spacious interior and generous headroom thanks to its front-wheel drive. Whether you're embarking on a quick weekend escape or a lengthy journey, this van has everything you need inside. Its sleek, modern design with matte white finishes, silver gray accents, and warm oak details creates a stylish yet cozy atmosphere that's unmistakably here. It's not just a vehicle, it's your companion in making lasting memories. Get ready for an exciting reveal from the latest German trade fair, the Amari, an outstanding overlanding vehicle by the Turkish brand Crawler. This is not your typical van. It's a revamped Volkswagen Transporter with a sleek, rust-proof aluminum exterior with a price tag of $62,000, $243. The Amari offers impressive value inside. It boasts a smart, practical layout, featuring two spacious face-to-face benches that convert into a double bed, a compact bathroom with both indoor and outdoor access, and a chic wooden kitchen block. The front has 4 swivel seats, and the pop-up double roof increases headroom while providing a spacious sleeping area for those seeking adventure. The standard features include a folding table, deck awning, and LED lighting. Ever wondered what makes the perfect road trip companion? Well, today I'm excited to introduce the Curado CV600 Pro. This camper van isn't just about getting to your destination. It's about making every journey a memorable experience with its compact design that feels surprisingly spacious and smart storage solutions. The CB600 Pro keeps you organized and comfortable on the move inside. You'll find a sleek living and dining area thoughtfully designed to be the heart of your travels. Need to cook on the road? The well-planned side kitchen makes meal prep effortless. When it's time to rest, the cozy sleeping area guarantees a peaceful night's sleep at 6,431. The Curado CV600 Pro offers incredible value with its Fiat Ducato engine and 16-inch alloy wheels, whether it's a quick getaway or a long adventure. This camper van has everything you need. Let's talk about the new Ford Nugget camper van. Ford has updated its Nugget lineup with exciting new models, including a long wheelbase version for more kitchen and storage space. This model adds 40 centimeters to the length, giving you a bigger wardrobe in a larger L-shaped kitchen, perfect for cooking up meals on the road, if you're all about comfort. The long wheelbase Nugget can also be ordered with a bathroom perfect for privacy on the go. Inside, Ford keeps things smart with a dining area that converts into a double bed and a pop-up bedroom for even more space. Plus, the Ford Smart Camper touchscreen connects everything from lighting to heating. For the adventure seekers, the Nugget Active trim offers SUV-inspired looks, water-resistant seats, and optional all-wheel drive under the hood. It has a 168 horsepower Ecobee blue diesel engine, or you can go for the new plug-in hybrid option with 230 horsepower and up to 56 km of all-electric driving. All this for a starting price of $71,000. Definitely a great deal for a camper van with so much versatility. Whether you need more space, comfort, or power, the Ford Nugget is a solid choice for van. Music lifers, check out the Thorso Scope, a camper van that's taking convenience and adventure to the next level, built on the Ram Promus 1500 XT chassis. This compact yet versatile van delivers the power of a full-size RV with the ease of maneuverability. With a price tag of $80,000, it offers great value for anyone looking to elevate.